Hey folks, got a 2016 Hyundai Tucson with a 1.6 liter engine. Let's check the air filter or change the air filter. Alright, I checked it earlier. It's in good shape, so I'm going to show you. It's located right here behind the battery. See the words right there? Pull out to open the air filter. So when I pull this out, there's two little clips there. This is your air filter. Just grab it and you slide it right out. It's brand new. Okay? If this is dirty, you go get yourself a new one and install it. It only goes in one way. You got this little handle over here for you to grab it. Alright, make sure it's clean in there. This slides right back in there, almost like a drawer in the kitchen. There you go. And you snap this cover right back on. See that? Easy peasy. Air filters, you could do it yourself. Especially on this car. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Ciao.